Christmas comes to Forex. All that you need for profitable trading, no matter if you are a beginner or a professional, is here. Enjoy big discounts for Forex Tester 5. Use the promo code Forex Tester 2022 to get the deal. Practice trading and test your trading strategies thousands of times more effectively than with a demo account. Open and close deals on multiple charts at the same time and control the speed. Don't waste your time waiting for the outcome. Fast forward to the result and try again with other parameters if you aren't satisfied with how it worked out. All the action takes place on real Forex data, so your trading behaves in the same way here as it would in the real market. Brace yourselves. The winter discount is the best time to get the full Forex Tester subscription and practice trading with no limits. Unlimited testing, easy Forex builder tool, AI strategy optimizer, extra guides, indicators, and EAs, as well as the 11-step plan to make your testing effective. Use the discount to add the Super Data Package to unlock 860 currency pairs to practice trading on, as well as new assets such as gold, silver, and more. This also includes floating spread and tick data with the updates coming every day. Follow the link and use the promo code Forex Tester 2022. Practice trading with Forex Tester. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!